Hey, we're going to look at jump label instructions. So a jump label instruction or a jump instruction allows you to skip certain parts of the program depending upon what your needs are. Sometimes we don't need to scan the whole program. Sometimes we need to jump a portion of the program due to what our needs are that we're trying to meet with our program. So I've set up a little program here to show you how a jump works. A jump is always associated with a label. So on our program right here, we have input 0 is going to, when we trigger input 0, it's going to tell us to jump down here to this label. Now anytime you're programming a jump and a label, you're going to want to address that as a Q2:0, and then if you use the second one, you'll use Q2:1, and that'll go all the way up to 255. So you can jump quite a few different parts of the program if you need to. Right now, I want to show you how that's going to function. If we press our input 0, we're going to jump down here to this label. Now, we have an output on right now in this program. As I press input 0, you'll notice the output stays on, so it's not like an MCR where you automatically lose your output, but it's no longer scanning this program, so the input state of input 1.5 is no longer controlling the output of output 2.2. Likewise, if we get an input the true statement for input 1.1, we're not turning on output 2.0. Now when we lose our jump, we're going to monitor our program as normal. Alright, look down here at the bottom rung, which is rung 6, not the end rung, but the last rung that we have instructions on. Our statement says if input 1.1 is off, turn on output 2.7. So if we turn on our input, output 2.7 is going to go off. Now, if we're using our jump label, that's not going to change, because when we trigger the jump, it comes down here to the label, so it's outside it's not within the jump and the label instruction, so it's going to be scanned just like normal. The only thing we're jumping are the instructions in between the jump and the label. So input 1.2 right here, they're not being jumped either. So input 1.2 and output 2.3 and input 1.1 and output 2.7, they're going to work whether we've triggered the jump or not. But output 2.0 and output 2.1 and output 2.2, all the three outputs within that jump will not. If you'll look right here, output 2.0, the conditions are true on that rung 001, but we're not changing the output because we are currently in our jump state. But if you look down here, the very same input 1.1, is triggering the output 2.7.